guys, welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. So today we're going to do something a little bit differently. We are going to do a twist and chat. So I'm going to be twisting up my hair and talking to you all about some of my 2020 hair goals. Normally I don't do two-strand twists, but with this whole quarantine coronavirus going around, all I can hear is
Coronavirus!
With all of that going on, look, I need to just put my hair up in some twists and call it a day. First, I want to just let you all know, so I did deep condition my hair and I used Mish Beauty. I used their Indulge deep conditioner, and I used their leave-in. I think it's like a 3-in-1 leave-in, so that's what I have in my hair right now. I'm trying a new product today while we do this little chit chat. I have the Mousse Def, right? So apparently this is the mousse that you can use by itself, and it even tells you don't add oils, don't add nothing to your hair, just use this mousse by itself. It says that it can do a wash and go even on my type 4 hair, but you know what, who has time for a failed wash and go? Not I. So I already have my hair sectioned off into 4 sections. This is how I washed my hair out of the deep conditioner. This is how I applied my conditioner, my leave-in conditioner in the shower. This is how my hair is looking, y'all. So what I think I'm going to do is just a standard twist out. I left my hair, like I said, I left my hair out because this says to use it on damp hair and not soaking wet hair. So instead of it dripping wet, even though it is pretty wet still, I just kind of left it out because I don't know, my hair does best with wet hair, so I don't have time to be, you know, messing up. I know what works for my hair. Speaking of what works for my hair, let's get into this chit chat video. I just want to tell you all about my natural hair goals for 2020, but first I just want to start off by kind of talking about, you know, my hair type. I know that you've probably seen a few videos up until this point, so to start off, what my hair type is. So my hair is 4A, 4B for sure, but I have fine strands. I've always had like very fine strands, but a high density. So I have a lot of strands, but they're very fine. They're not super thick, honestly. My hair stretches very easily. I don't have a ton of shrinkage. I do have elasticity in my hair though, so it is healthy. But anyway, back to the conversation. What else? Low porosity for sure. Low porosity all day long. Like even this right here kind of makes me nervous because in reality my hair really likes like warmth, you know. Even when I get cold and my hair gets cold, like I notice a difference with my hair. It's like that. So some things that my hair loves. My hair loves honey. My hair loves shea butter. It also loves castor oil, actually, and I already said honey. Coconut milk, something my hair really loves. Coconut milk. Some things that my hair does not like is henna. If you saw my last video about my natural hair journey, then you'll see I got a henna treatment and my hair got like damaged by it. My hair doesn't really like direct heat, like flat ironing. Literally, I wonder if it's my fine strands. Like literally every time I flat iron my hair, I notice a difference in my hair, or even color, like color in my hair. I get that as well. So my hair doesn't like that. Oh my gosh, the big one, my hair does not like aloe vera, y'all. Like I want to love it so bad and I want to use it for pre-poo and make my hair grow all long, but my hair does not like aloe vera. I used the juice, I diluted it, I used the fresh aloe vera plant. I remember noticing that my hair was significantly more, like it was just hard. It was as if like my hair just really didn't respond well. It was very hard, very like dry. It would not hold moisture very well. Like it was really bad. But all that to say, yeah, my hair doesn't really like aloe vera and rice water. My hair was like, It felt like my hair felt when I would use aloe vera though. that doesn't work for me. You gotta know what works for your hair, because when you know what works for your hair, you choose products accordingly. So yeah, that's all about my hair. That's the basics, the stats. Like I said, this is a different avenue for me, because honestly, I don't normally use mousses ever, but this is a very creamy mousse where I can feel the moisture. You can even see the moisture, girl. What you mean? But yeah, even though my hair likes honey, that's only in certain seasons. So like, I can't use a styling product that has honey in it in the summertime, because I live in St. Louis and it is humid. Like, I'm going to just have frizz at the end of the day. My hair could be as soft as I don't know what, but it doesn't matter because it won't hold. I want to talk about, you know, some of my problem areas. So actually, it's just perfect timing, because this is my problem area up in the middle of my head. So like, this section of my hair is where I have 4B hair. It always seems extremely shorter, way shorter than the rest of my hair, and then my strands are not as healthy. So this is what I would consider my problem area. When I trim, I really like to focus on this area, because I just want it to all grow out healthy. One of the mishaps that I talked about in my last video was when I had that sew-in, and the person that was helping me to take out my hair ended up cutting my hair. Well, the middle section was an area that they ended up cutting off a lot. With that, I'm like, okay, clearly there's something that I need to be doing to like pay special attention to this part of my hair. So yeah, I want to figure out how to best cater to it and how to take care of it, you know. So you can see I'm due for a trim. I like to try to get a trim at least 2 to 3 times out of the year. I still don't do it as often as I know that I should. Also, I really want to focus on my problem areas this year. So like, actually, this middle part of my head, I used to experience tenderness in my scalp, and I realized that it was because the hair dryer that I had only had one setting. It's been around for a really long time, and I probably shouldn't have been using it anymore, because all of the heat, it was as if it was all concentrated right here in the middle of my head. So every time I would sit under the dryer with my wash and go, and afterwards, like, it was always tender right here, because this was the main place where the heat was just coming down. And so ever since I got a new hair dryer, I don't have that scalp tenderness anymore at all. One of the things that I also learned was like to put my hair up in a ponytail up here to cover up that middle section when I sit under the dryer for deep conditioning, which is something that I do pretty regularly. Actually, I do that every time I deep condition. I sit under the dryer simply because my hair likes the warmth. Like, that really activates the product for my hair. So, and then also it's my edges. I want to grow my edges back, of course. Like, that's the area that is always the most pulled on. It's tugged, you know. So as far as my hair regimen, I usually wash my hair every week. I deep condition every week. I never ever wash my hair without deep conditioning. I style my hair once a week, so most of the time, like when I do my wash and go, that's the only time that I'm really manipulating my hair. Sometimes when I get to the end of the week, I'll just pull it all up and do a loose high puff, and maybe turn it into a bun, or maybe not, but I'm not like detangling my hair all over again or like constantly pulling on it. And I think that that's one of the things that helped me to retain my length, and that's something that I'm really big on, is just like really trying to do length retention. One of the things that I started to do, I would only finger detangle, and I think that that helps with retaining length. So when I do twists, I could oftentimes get by with 2 weeks, because I'll leave my hair in twists for a week, and then I'll take it down for the second week and wear the twist out for as long as it lasts. But this twist out is looking pretty promising. Like, looking at these juicy twists, I'm really excited. I tried to protective style. I know for the past couple of years, I probably protective style like a quarter of the year. So 3 to 4 months out of the year. That's pretty much it for my regimen. I think it's pretty simple. That's the biggest thing that I've learned is just consistency. Like your hair really does like consistency. Okay, so as far as the goals that I have for 2020, I know it's March. I really want this out here so that I can document my progress. I always have wanted to grow my hair long, and I want it to be healthy, and so that's my biggest focus. So right now you can see my hair is right at my bra strap. It's literally right at my bra strap, even in the back. But when I stretch my hair, I'm going to do a length check for you guys and show you. But my goal is to have waist length hair by, I say, by the end of this year. If I'm at bra strap length right now, then I think that it is realistic to say that I can have waist length hair by the end of this year. Waist length healthy hair. So I don't want waist length hair by just the stragglies of my chin, you know, like I really want it to be at a healthy place and waist length. And I plan to do that by continuing on consistency, continuing on my regimen. And like, honestly, I've been doing this. Only thing that I think that has stopped me is all of those different bumps along the road, like getting my hair cut, getting it flat ironed and cutting it off. Now that I think I have a very good grasp of what my hair likes and what it doesn't like, and what works for it and what doesn't work for it, now I think I can just move forward without any other mishaps and really try to grow this thing out. Like, that would be my goal, because I feel like I've had the same length of hair for at least the last like 3 years or so. No mishaps in 2020. We're not playing it today. Like, we're not playing it this year. We're gonna get this middle section of my hair back healthy. So yeah, this has been a pretty easy process. I've gotten through at least the back half of my hair, and now it'll just be a matter of finishing up the front, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. So yep, this is what we got. I'll just come back to you guys once I finish. Okay guys, so I am back. Finally, it took me 2 hours. Literally, I started on this at 10:30 and it is now 12 o'clock at night. But can we just get into these juicy twists? But anyway, thank you guys so much. So this looks like it's going to be a very promising twist out. I will have to show you all the takedown results, because I'm going to wear these twists for a while. Like, they're too cute to just take down right away. So follow me on Instagram. I am likely just going to do my little pin back like I always do with these twists. Like, this is my pin back style. This is how I'm going to wear my hair all week. I really look forward to seeing what this is going to look like. You can see the twists are nice and juicy. They're just shrinking on up. All that to say, thank you all so much for clicking on this video. Please be sure to like it. If you enjoyed this content, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to my channel. Every week, look for a video from moi. And then if you want some extra content, head on over to my Instagram page. Every now and then I'm posting videos and pictures, updates of my hair. So check me out on Instagram if you haven't already. And thank you so much for joining. Be sure to share this with somebody that you know. How about this? Comment below, what are your hair goals for 2020? Thank you so much for watching. Deuces.